The question you may ask yourself is, okay, what now? How you answer this question and what you decide to do now, today, may very well determine your success or failure as a custom officer and a civil servant. What is your plan? Do you have a plan? If I may suggest something for you to plan for, is to make sure to have the determination to achieve excellence in your career as a customs officer and civil servant. Decide what direction you want to go and what you would want to do, and set out to do it and do it well and do it with integrity. If you want to be a risk analyst by customs, be the best risk analyst you can be. If you want to be a customs detective, be the best customs detective you can be. If you choose to stay a commis, be the best commis you can be. Take that with you today. You may have started now and think, yeah, I just started. What can I do? Let me remind you this. It is not by size or rank that you win or you fail.